Hello, so today I am unboxing Red Velvet's Queendom. This is girls version. Sorry, that took me a minute. I've already done Queen's version. This part came a little beat up today. Here, I'll get a better look at the back here. I liked the pictures in the other one, but how bulky it was kind of, I don't know. Not obnoxious because I didn't hate it, but this seems better. Let's see if I can pull it out without seeing anything. Oh yeah. This is just like the case for Monster. Let's see. Pops right out again. There's I should show it better. Oh, it even has the track list around it. Alright, it must be a poster, but let's do the photo book first. A pink door. Ooh. I probably would have ordered them both at once, but when I initially looked, I only saw the two versions of Queens. And I'm probably not going to get the version that I don't have. It comes with the same photo card options, I'm pretty sure. Not that that's a huge deal, but one of those big bulky albums is enough for me. But I love the cases of these, and I don't know if any other SM groups do their albums like this, but I liked how it was set up with Monster too, so here we are. Ooh. It would have been really funny if they were on the album cover. Wait, did I say it was Fifth Harmony? I love it. I love Silky's hair, that color. It looks so nice. Oh, Irene looks pretty. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he looks cute. I was waiting for this picture. I saw it in the concept photos. Oh my god. I enjoy his head on Silky's butt. I like that picture. This one, but I also like the other one. Ooh, Care Bears. This is sort of like a 2000s feel to it too, but it also almost seems older, so I'm not sure. I do like all the VH. Oh my god, it's a hook. Yes. What else is there? Hold on. Father of the Bride, Beauty and the Beast. Oh my god. My Girl. Oh, Indiana Jones. My goodness. Home Alone. And I used to, like, when I was, I'm 27 now, so I was pretty young, but I still love to read, like, the teen versions of these type of magazines, the tween magazines, I should say. And I would pull out the posters from them, put them all over my wall. Oh, that was fun. It gave me weird nostalgia. Alright, so it looks like this one came with a poster. I ordered this off of, oh my gosh, give me a second. K-Pop USA, I think that's what it's called. I ordered Queendom, the Queen's version off of this too. Oh, it's Joy. Joy. Oh, she's pretty. I think I still have room for smaller posters like that on my walls. It's really taking over. Alright, should we do... It's just this I'm at. I guess let's do these little postcard-ish things. I guess I would consider them a postcard, but... Yes, Joy. I love it. Alright. Oh, Irene. Oh. excited. Okay. Ooh. And I've already seen the name on the photo cards. So it's a little obvious. Oh, she's cute. Ooh. I don't want to lose it. There we go. Alright, let's find out what's in here. I think I saw online it said stickers. Maybe. That's the envelope. Oh, here we go. We got the accordion weird book. I'll show the front side of it first. Ta-da. Let's see. Oh, yep, stickers. Ooh, I like them. More stickers. And are these, is this a little postcard too? Oh, yep, and that one's Wendy. Oh, these are the ones that I saw pictures of online. I don't know. Does this still count as a little card? I think it technically does. It's a little bigger. Alright, so that is all for that. Thank you for watching.